Welcome to my villa. Okay, fine. It's not ready yet. But give us some few months and you'll be begging for an invite. This is Villanova. My name is Sarah Arthur, and this is Ghana's first AI-powered home. Today, we will be tracking progress step by step. Come with me. From living room lighting to the kitchen sticking ship, every detail is approved. The Villanova is alive and growing. Hi, Engineer Bryce.
Hi, Madam Sarah.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well by God's grace. How about you?
I'm doing very well.
That's fine.
Okay, so tell me, what is this month's update?
Okay, so with regards with the concrete works, we are 100% done for the column base and tie beam, and 70% done for the columns, and 10% done for the slabs, out of 11 villas.
Wow.
So, yes, currently you can see with the column base, we are doing waterproofing, and we are 100% done for the column base and the tie beam. And not forgetting the hardcore filling. We are 15% done and we are still filling.
Okay.
We are making sure we'll do it layer by layer so that we'll get a good compaction.
Great.
Yes,
Great.
And on my right side, we have wheel loader. We are making sure we prepare that zone for the next villa.
Great.
So by the time you come here, you see a tremendous improvement here.
Wow. So you have 11 villas up already.
Seriously.
Beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay. Thank you so much, and then we'll see you next month.
It's always a pleasure to be here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Your villa isn't just under construction. Your villa is alive, breathing, and waiting for you to call it home. Call us today to secure a unit. See you on the next update.